This ice cream right here just looks like regular cookies and cream, but it's not regular cookies and cream. This is homemade cookies and cream ice cream that Kira made for me. I actually made it together, but she's a master. Okay, I was assisting. The reason this is significant is because my favorite ice cream of all time, #1, was from a company called Three Twins, I believe, and they shut down in 2020. It was the saddest thing ever. I literally bought the last of the co-ops, cookies and cream ice cream, which was about 8 of them, and I ate all of them, and the last one was a bittersweet moment. How proud of yourself are you that you replicated Daddy's favorite ice cream of all time to the point where, how many times have I asked you to make ice cream now?
Once.
A couple times actually. It was a cherry ice cream once, also vanilla. Kira, if you make ice cream for me, I might not... Okay, I'm not gonna pay you. I might not ever buy ice cream ever again.
I want drumsticks.
Yeah, I'll buy drumsticks for you. What if you made your own drumsticks?
That would be too hard.
Okay, anyway, so we want to show you guys how to make this ice cream from scratch. I'm gonna probably be biting on this, snacking on it, but we're gonna go through the ingredients. And Kira, you want to tell people how to do it?
Okay, yes.
Okay, let me get on the other side of the camera.
Yeah.
So just like on the Food Network, we already have already made one. And we're about to make another one. Right? Isn't it good? Let's go through all the ingredients first, okay?
Okay. First, there is milk. You can have any milk. If you can do almond milk too.
Yeah.
If you want to, you can do any milk you want. You need heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. You can get it anywhere. And then you need granulated sugar.
Yeah, you can use powdered sugar. Auntie Mel was saying powdered sugar because the thing about sugar is it needs to dissolve. So what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit in the fridge with the milk for at least an hour. I was saying 2 to 3 hours, but Kira doesn't want to wait that long. It's all good with me. I know a lot of people actually cook it, but I don't want to cook it because I just don't want to alter the dairy. Okay. All right, next.
Next is vanilla extract. Anyone will work, I think.
Okay.
You need Oreos, are best, but you can get any ones like at Trader Joe's.
How many did we use last time, if you can remember? We did 5 initially. 18?
18, but that was not good.
Yeah, so I was thinking instead of 18, maybe we'll do like 12.
Maybe like first, this can be for the batter.
Yeah.
But if you're mixing it, when you're mixing it or churning it with an ice cream maker, you should add extra pieces.
For sure. Okay, you need the chunks. Okay, tell us the equipment we're using and all the other tools you'll need.
First, you will need a cup. 1/4 cup. A spatula or spoon.
Okay.
A bowl.
Yep.
And an ice cream maker.
Yep. And this one is the Cuisinart. So what's missing from this is the metal container that's in the freezer right now. No, you could probably use any ice cream maker, any ice cream making method. We're using this Cuisinart because a friend of ours, Amanda, gave it to us. So shout out to Amanda. Thank you very much. But you need to put it into the freezer the night before. I heard up to 20 to 24 hours. It hasn't been quite 20 hours.
Yeah,
but
it's okay. It's fine.
yeah, you're right. Last thing is what? One more tool that you forgot to mention.
This is a tablespoon
Yep.
for vanilla extract.
Yeah, there is one more thing that we forgot is a whisk, which we need. So go ahead and grab a whisk. And the first thing we're gonna do is just mix the sugar into the milk, vanilla extract, and let the sugar dissolve. What's that?
That's what you do.
Yeah, we're gonna compare our mixing methods. Okay, go ahead. The measuring for this is 3 cups of dairy, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, and the standard rule is for every single cup, you want 1/4 cup of sugar, but we're going to remove one of the 4th cups of sugar because of the Oreos. This is another reason I've been loving making ice cream.
You can change the sweetness and healthiness.
You can reduce the sugar, so this is less
This
sweet,
and a half.
but because of the Oreos, it's
You
actually
do
really
like
sweet.
that.
Oh, no, I'm saying don't even put that.
Just like
There you go.
1 cup of milk. You have to be careful when you're pouring this because it can spill.
It's okay. There we go. You want me to pour it in, or are you gonna do it?
I can do it.
All right. Good job.
Okay, should we apply the cream right now?
No, not the cream, but the vanilla. A little extra?
Yeah, no, because I didn't fill this to the top. Because if you don't fill it to the top, then it's not going to be vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
You need to whisk the sugar good. Is this Daddy? Am I doing? Oh,
Perfect. Go ahead.
So, is this?
Yeah.
This exactly?
Exactly. Here, let me show you. That's very, very close. But why don't you film, Daddy? Hero's going like this. But what I like to do is have it at an angle so you get more of the whisk itself. Making contact with the bottom. Just do this.
Oh.
Now this is gonna whip up the milk a little bit. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't really overthink it. And we're not trying to get the sugar to be completely dissolved at this point. We're just trying to get it as dissolved as possible because this is gonna further sit for another 1 to 3 hours in the fridge. According to Kira, only 1 hour today. But by the time that this is done...
It doesn't have to. It doesn't have... What happens if the milk whips?
I don't know, it probably makes the ice cream a little bit more fluffier, which...
Is that bad?
No, actually it was great.
Yeah. You should mix it more too, so the sugar dissolves quicker.
I think actually this is funny though.
So like this?
Yes, go ahead.
Like this?
Yep. Good job. Even the texture of this is so eerily similar to that ice cream that I miss so much. I've been hoping that they start up the business again, but shoot, I don't need that. Got my own twin right here.
That's cute.
My own twin sister.
I already have a twin sister.
Yeah, you guys should start a ice cream company called Two Twins. The Three Twins ice cream was unique because it was organic. I'm all for organic, but because it's organic, they're definitely not using Oreos. They're probably using some kind of organic chocolate frosting cookie. Still was good, but it ain't no Oreo. Okay, you don't have to use that. You can use a flat part, girl.
Oh, that's smart. Dad.
That is smart sometimes.
Whoa, that goes way quicker. Yeah.
Exactly. And then you just pour it in. Easy peasy.
Whoa. Okay.
You know what you forgot to do? You forgot to add all the heavy whipping cream.
I asked you if I should add the heavy whipping cream.
I know, it's okay. So we're gonna mix this, add the heavy whipping cream, and then put it into the fridge.
I told you we should do that.
It's no big deal. No, I said before you mix this, fine. There you go.
Put the extra seeds in a thing.
I'm just gonna be back here supervising while eating this amazing ice cream. Hey! Have you tried this?
No.
Go get a spoon. Honey, have you tried it?
Not yet.
Oh, come here. You gotta try one bite, honey. It's gonna blow your mind!
I was curious if the cookie is like soft.
It is.
It's perfect.
Really?
Hey, Dad, Mommy, look at this. Daddy, it's not enough, I don't think. Daddy,
Is that just like that company?
Does it look good?
it's not
Wow.
enough.
Do you
So
remember the Three Twins ice cream? Do you remember that? The green.
It's so good. It reminds me of the one at Disneyland on the boardwalk. But I like
Yes.
the big chunks. That's why I like
That's
the big
what I'm
chunks.
telling you. This
so good. Kira,
could sell this.
it's so good.
we could sell this.
Can't.
Okay, we'll be selling this ice cream
No,
for
Daddy, don't say that.
$100
Daddy,
per gallon. Okay.
they're gonna watch you. They're gonna
Right here.
tell you that in 10 years.
Tell me if it's good or not. Okay.
Eat it.
Oh,
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look at it.
Taking it all for herself.
Bella!
Did she take the whole container?
Yeah, there's just not.
Mommy, Mommy, look. Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go ahead and put the plastic on, and we're gonna put it in the fridge. Okay.
Yes, Daddy.
Hey, where's Bella at?
Hiding.
We're gonna wait 1 hour. I suggest 3 hours, if not overnight. But
Oh, after you turn it, you have to wait overnight for it to be perfect.
the best. Kira right now is getting the key part to make the ice cream. The mixture has been sitting in the fridge now for like 4 hours. It's funny, she wanted to do it an hour later, but just ended up this way because we had a busy afternoon. But in my opinion, the longer you let this sit, the better, because then without heating up any of the dairy, you have what I call a sugary mix where everything is nice and dissolved. Let me show you what it looks like. There you go. This is what it looks like. See, last time we put way more Oreo cookies.
Yes, it was brown.
So the color was, I would say, more of a gray color, not even brown, which is not a big deal, but we want to keep it a little bit more white this time. So this is perfect.
Do you think this is enough spots?
It's perfect because we're going to add the cookies.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do next, Kira?
So first, should we crush the cookies?
100%.
Right first?
Yes, first. Have it all ready.
So when you have crushed cookies, you have to add it until it's like a smoothie or like soft dough texture.
Okay.
Yeah, because I don't remember why, but I just remember that's what Auntie Mel told me.
Cool. So this is the inner layer, which is super duper cold right now. The way you put it together is, which side goes up? This?
Yep.
Okay. So that, what it does is that edge scrapes the edge of the cold part. This just goes right over. This is the easiest thing to use. I just love it because it's really simple. You just plug it in, press the button, and you're good to go. Kira's
And that's good
crushing.
crushes?
Use this side, okay?
This side?
Yeah. No, this side. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Cool. Do you want to pour it in?
Yeah, you have to open this.
Oh, you have to open it? Okay. I don't even know how to use this thing.
Plug this in.
Plug it in? Okay. Look, Kira's teaching me. It's been a long time since I used this. So you can do this all on your own?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it right on it. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Yep, there we go. There we go. Use a spout, girl. That's what it's there for.
It's ready.
There we go.
There you go.
I'm her sous chef, so I'll take the dirty bowl. I'll go ahead and wash it while you explain to people what is going on.
Let's put on the cap. You need to put on the cap, make sure it's secure. Then you press the on button to just switch. It might shake a little bit, but that's okay. It's just adjusting. I don't have a certain time, but maybe at most gonna be 40 minutes, but
40 or 14?
40 at most.
40? Oh, wow.
Maybe 30
Okay.
minutes. I don't know.
I don't know. You would know better.
I don't know. I usually do it until it's like smoothie or soft serve texture.
So what we say for that, Kira, is we eyeball it.
We eyeball it.
We just go by sight, right?
Yes.
So right now, this is spinning the cold container. Imagine a hollowed out bowl that's got some kind of liquid inside that when it freezes, it stays frozen for a very long time. So as this is spinning, that plastic part is scraping off the ice cream mixture that is freezing. So let me show you a very close look.
It's two bowls, like two big long bowls, and the inside is water. And when it freezes, it turns into ice and it makes the edges cold.
So
Very
right now, the mixture is only freezing on the edges, and you can kind of see it
Yeah,
scraping.
you can see it scraping here. Can I touch this?
No, just leave it. I'll do a close up here in a
Well, it's
second
on this side. It's on this side.
as it gets more
You
frozen.
can't see it, but I can see it.
At what
It's
point
scraping.
do you add the Oreos?
You order it when it turns into like soft serve or smoothie or
Got it.
milkshake texture.
The color looks really good. We're not going to eat this tonight because we did have all that ice cream earlier.
So the ice cream container that we use is Elements by Tovolo.
We'll put all the links to this stuff, but yeah, that is like an ice cream container, but it's pretty thick and it's pretty tough. It's solid, but it's supposed to mimic a ice cream container, except it's not cardboard.
I don't know
See
if
that?
you see,
Hear that?
but it says ice cream, sorbet, gelato. Yeah,
Container.
ice cream, sorbet, and gelato container. Oh, look, Daddy, it's more colorful. You're right, the color did change.
Mm-hmm.
You could see more of it, more of the
Don't worry,
speckles.
when it gets more thick and frozen, we'll do a zoom in. You can see it really starting to thicken and freeze and get to a, what'd you say, a soft serve consistency?
Soft serve, yeah.
One thing I've learned about this ice cream maker, it's not going to quite get it to the frozen state of a normal ice cream. It is like soft serve. So when you put it into this container, I suggest letting it freeze for at least a whole day.
Yeah, a day.
Yeah. This is basically it. There's not much left. She's gonna scoop all of this out when it's frozen enough, put it in here, and then guess what? We get to snack on the edges.
What flavor should we do next on our ice cream machine?
Put it in the comments below.
Put it on the comments below. Comment down below your least favorite ice cream flavor.
Here. Just add it all.
Okay.
There you go. You can toss that out now. Yeah, crush it. There you go. Drop them in. There you go. That's what mommy likes.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
There we
there
go.
you go. Whoa, yes!
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that. Okay, she says that's the right consistency.
Yep.
How is it? How's the flavor?
I don't know.
Okay. We also added extra Oreos for mommy because she likes the big chunks.
So step 1, you have to take it out. If you have a Cuisinart, which makes this, you have to get out these pieces out. You don't want to waste any. Oh no, it's dripping.
Does it normally drip like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Put it back in. It needs
It's
more.
too soft,
Mhm,
right?
Definitely. Yep.
Okay.
It's okay.
She's not here right now, but look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Look at that.
Her face, her face.
You ate my ice cream?
Look at it. Look at it. Do you think it's ready now? You put your spoon in there and get it. Tell me.
Oh, what's...
Is it the right consistency? Or let it go for a little bit longer? I mean, no, there's no rush here.
5 more minutes.
Okay.
But it's really...
I promise I won't eat anymore. I promise.
You know it's ready. You can't do it anymore when it gets to the edges. So let's do this. See, look.
Mia's gonna be the taste tester, okay? The
Mia
ultimate.
will be
She's a
the
food critic.
Okay, try it. Does it look like Oreo? It doesn't have chunks. What? There's chunks. Is it good? Mmm.
Right? That's
See, it's good.
pretty awesome.
It's good. Mommy, look how thick it is.
Whoa. Whoa. Well, I brushed my teeth,
That's
so I'll
it.
try it tomorrow. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Disgusting.
Daddy licked it and then put it back. Oh. Your ice cream.
I mean,
Daddy, get in the.
Okay. I'll be right there.
The thing. The thing that you do.
It's actually ready to go. I take it back. We just didn't let it freeze enough, so you could totally eat it like this.
Good.